Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am announcing my Valentine group swap. I did announce this on Instagram last night, but I like to post on YouTube too for anybody who's not on Instagram. And also, I just find it helpful to have like a video with further explanation. So this is the Sweetheart swap. It's due February 4th. This is for anybody. You just have to pay your return shipping. Which is, I usually just do, you pay what you paid for the shipping. But what we're doing for this swap, you can make one or two. That's up to you. You don't have to make one for me, but it is appreciated. I do enjoy them. So we're making a 3D mailbox. I will try to link a couple videos where there's tutorials that you don't need like a die or anything, but there's plenty of cut files out there too, if that's what you prefer. And I have a little example here of one that was sent to me a couple years ago. But we're just going to fill that with 4 handmade items or sets. You know, if you're making a rosette, obviously you don't want to be sending just one. You know, make a set of probably, you know, like 3 or 4. That's really up to you. And one of those handmade items needs to be a memory dex card or ATC, because we want your info on the back of that. Also, including a sweet treat, because what's Valentine's Day without a sweet treat? And then include at least one crafty gift. So that is, I feel like it's fairly simple, but I wanted to do a 3D. I know this swap has kind of been done before, but I loved it. I thought it was such a fun swap. But here's the example. This was made for me a couple of years ago. I believe this is a KSCraft die that she used, which I saw is still available on, not Etsy, AliExpress. I'm not sure if they would have it on Amazon or anything, but I've kept some of the things that she's put in here. These boxes are empty. But I just kept them because they're so cute. And for some reason, it's been 2 years and they still smell so good. For some reason, her whole swap smelled like rose petals or something. But she did like a large shaker. She did like a bag of die cuts, which I'm actually gonna, I'm leaving on my desk so I can use. She did a handmade card. And then, you know, there's other goodies in here. So she made it nice and full, nice and stuffed. So that's what we're looking for. So you probably want a good size mailbox that you're going to send everything in. Preferably it would all fit in your mailbox, but I understand some of us like to go big. So that's what this swap will entail. So I hope you decide to join, and let's have some fun. Bye!